In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a picture in Wix. If you're editing your Wix website and want to remove an image you no longer need, the process is very simple and only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. This is useful if you're updating your design, replacing an old photo, or just cleaning up a page to make it look more organized. To get started, open your Wix site in the site editor. Make sure you're on the page where the image appears so you can see exactly what you're working on. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to locate the picture you want to delete. This helps avoid accidentally removing the wrong element, especially if your page has several images close together. When you've found the correct picture, click on it to select it. You should see that the image is active and ready to be edited. After that, right-click on the picture to open the menu of available options. In that menu, choose Delete. As soon as you do that, the image will be removed from the page. There's also another quick way to do the same thing. After selecting the picture, instead of right-clicking, you can simply press the backspace key on your keyboard. This is often the fastest option if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts while editing. One helpful tip is to make sure the image itself is selected before pressing backspace. If nothing is selected, or if another element is active, you may not delete the picture you intended to remove. So it's always a good idea to click once on the image first, confirm that it's highlighted, and then use the delete method you prefer. If you remove the wrong picture by mistake, don't panic. In most cases, the editor allows you to undo your last action, so you can quickly restore it and continue editing without starting over. And that's all it takes to delete a picture in Wix. Open your site editor, click the image you want to remove, then either right-click and choose Delete or press backspace on your keyboard. It's a quick and easy way to keep your site updated and looking exactly the way you want.